Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a grungy film look photo in EPIK Photo Editor. So first open your EPIK and then import your photo and then go to filters and find golden hour, this one, and select polar 2. This one's right here, adjust it into your liking, and next go to effects and choose texture and select green 1. Okay, adjust it into your liking, but I'm going to just go as it is and then go to adjust, and here adjust it into your liking. Okay, after that go to effect and then choose blur, and here select Gaussian. Oops, this one. Adjust it. Okay, I'm going to just go with that, and then after that go to stickers and find a blue light sticker. Just scroll down until you find one. Okay, this one's right here, and then adjust the size, and after that go to blend and choose overlay, this one. Okay, adjust it, and next go to adjust and add some vignette effect, this one. So add some vignette effect to your photo, and then after that go to effect, oops, and find light and choose film 3. Okay, so here you can just adjust it into your liking, and that's basically it. So this is the before and here is the after the grungy film look edit. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe, and comment. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.